Small in size, serious in performance. Today, we're reviewing the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More.
Is this the best mini drone for creators and beginners? Let's find out in this DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More review.
Hey, let's dive right into this explainer on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the ultimate creator bundle.
We're tackling a massive question. Can a drone be super beginner friendly, but still capture truly cinematic footage?
Think about it. Serious pro-grade power packed right into a tiny foldable body that fits in your palm. But hey, with that premium price tag, is this combo actually worth the cash for a beginner?
You're not just buying a drone here. This is a complete, ready-to-shoot creator package right out of the box.
The absolute game changer, a massive 1-inch CMOS camera sensor. That's literally huge for a mini drone. This means way richer details, sharper photos, and incredibly clean video, even during those tricky low-light sunset shoots. Throw in a crazy 225-degree flexible gimbal rotation, and you effortlessly unlock super dynamic cinematic angles. Forget about cropping later. It shoots native vertical footage right out of the gate for TikToks and Reels. Plus, the included RC2 controller has a built-in screen. No more fumbling around with your smartphone. Combine that frictionless flying with 42 gigs of internal storage, and you are literally always ready to shoot. Active Track 360 basically acts like your own personal camera crew. Solo walking or cycling shots, totally effortless. But honestly, it isn't magic. You still gotta fly smart and definitely stick to wide open spaces. For backup, built-in LiDAR sensors wrap your surroundings in 3D, spotting obstacles even in the pitch dark. Again though, it's just a helper. Things like tiny branches and power lines are still super risky. Get this! Each of the 3 included plus batteries gives you up to 52 minutes of flight time. Real-world battery life depends on weather and speed, sure, but 3 batteries is a massive creative advantage. Now the honest downsides? It's pricey, and those heavy plus batteries might bump up your local weight class. So who's this actually for? Serious creators and ambitious beginners. Casual or budget buyers should probably pass. Ultimately, it feels like a high-end, professional tool that's just been made incredibly easy for beginners. If you want a long-term travel drone for cinematic B-roll and social media, this is absolutely top tier. So what's your call? Are you ready for this creator upgrade, or is a simpler drone enough?